Sharing a quick and tasty favorite today: lemon chicken with potatoes. Cut the chicken thighs into pieces. Add Soeos pink salt and black pepper. Grate in lemon zest. Mix well and marinate for 20 minutes. Dice potatoes, slice lemon, and mince garlic. Boil potatoes for 5 minutes and then drain. Fry potatoes in hot oil until slightly brown. Sauté chicken thighs until golden brown. Add to butter blocks and rosemary. Drizzle with oil. Mix in lemon juice and slices. Stir fry evenly. Add Soeos pink salt and black pepper. Mix in potatoes until well combined. This Soeos salt and pepper grinder set is perfect for Thanksgiving gifting.